my name is Siberia from Chasing Siberia, and I hope you're feeling crafty today. So today we're going to be making something a little out of the ordinary, and that would be a penny vase.
For this craft, you will need a paintbrush, your color choice of paint. I went with black because I think it goes well with the color of the pennies, a glass vase, which you can get at the dollar store, vinegar to clean the pennies, a hot glue gun, and of course, you will need pennies. The first thing you will want to do is pour water into a pan with a bit of vinegar, maybe 1/4 cup per 3 cups water. Pour your pennies in and allow it to cook. Keep an eye on it and stir occasionally. Open your windows because this will smell horrible while it boils. While you are preparing the pennies, grab your vase, paintbrush, some newspaper, and start painting your vase. You may need to do 2 coats. Once both the pennies and the vase is prepped, you will now start to glue the pennies onto the vase. And handle with care as the pennies can easily rip the paint off. But that's okay, just keep going, re-glue, and move on. The easiest way to glue it is to have it standing up like this. On its side, you will knock pennies off as you glue. And now you are done. You can add Mod Podge or a finishing layer to this vase, however I don't intend on messing with it too much, so it'll sit on my shelf with no problems whatsoever.
So before you go, I would like to thank you for watching the video. If you like what you see, why not give the video a like as well as share it with your friends. I also did start a Patreon. If you guys would like to help support the channel by donating $1 or more a month, you would receive earlier access to my videos by 1 day. If you recreate this DIY, I would love to see it. Use the hashtag #ChasingCreations, and once I come across your photo, I will give it a like, and also I will comment on your photo. Once I reach that 1,000 subscriber goal, I will make a thank you video by using your creations in said video. You can also find me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Links for those will be found in the description below. And lastly, I would like to thank you guys for watching this video again. I hope to see you all in the next one, and stay crafty, my friends.